Welcome to this week's tutorial. My name is Jascha Ritzenhofen and this week we're gonna find out if JPEG is better than RAW. Alright, let's get into this. JPEG is a more compressed format, which means it comes kind of edited. The photo comes kind of edited out of your camera, which means it has more saturated colors, has more contrast already. And in the end, you don't have so many opportunities to edit the photo like you want it to be. RAW, on the other hand, is a less compressed, more desaturated photo, but it contains more information about your photo, which means you can set the white balance exactly in the way you want, or you can put the saturation of your colors, of the colors of the photo, exactly in the way you want them to be. It's just, you just can put the photo or edit a photo exactly in the way you imagined it. But with more information, you of course have more data, and of course then it's a bigger format. So which one is better, JPEG or RAW? I don't think you can say it like that. Me, for example, when I'm just walking around and I see something nice, I usually just take my phone and I have set the format in JPEG usually and just take the photo. Then I just have the nice memory and I can look at it just like that. But when I'm going out and I want to take a nice landscape picture or any photo from my portfolio, I always take this picture in RAW because I want it then to look like I want to have the photo. So I think you have to look for yourself. What do you want to achieve with your photo? Do you just want to have it as a nice memory? Then I would go with JPEG. You have less work afterwards and also the format is smaller already. But if you want to get more into photography or you want to have a special look in your photos, I definitely would recommend to go with RAW. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did so, I'd be happy if you subscribe, give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching and see you next time.